Unveiling the mystery. Rare as hen's teeth. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom that might leave you intrigued. Rare as hen's teeth. This expression is a colorful way to describe something extremely rare or non-existent. Stick around as we explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. The phrase, rare as hen's teeth, is used to describe something that is very rare or impossible to find. Why? Because hens do not have teeth. This idiom draws on the humor of imagining a chicken with teeth, something you'll never see, to emphasize the rarity or absurdity of the situation at hand. Although the exact origin of rare as hen's teeth is a bit murky, it's widely accepted that the phrase has been used in English for centuries. It belongs to a category of idioms that compare an impossible situation to a humorous and exaggerated image, making the expression memorable and effective in conveying its meaning. Let's look at how this idiom can be used in sentences. Finding an original painting by Van Gogh for sale is as rare as hen's teeth. In this small town, a taxi is as rare as hen's teeth. A politician who keeps all their promises is as rare as hen's teeth. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various scenarios to highlight something's rarity or the unlikelihood of encountering it. When you want to emphasize the scarcity or absence of something in a conversation, you can use rare as hen's teeth to make your point more vividly. It's a fun and expressive way to convey that something is not just rare but practically non-existent. We hope you enjoyed learning about the idiom, rare as hen's teeth, and can now appreciate the humor and creativity embedded in the English language. Remember, idioms like this one add color and personality to our conversations, making them more engaging and memorable. Happy learning, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of English language expressions.